Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change full name in Cash App. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your full name on Cash App application, tap open Cash App and make sure that you're logged in first. From the main home page of Cash App, tap on the profile icon located at the upper right hand corner. From this page, tap on the personal tab. Now, erase your current name and type in the new name that you'd like to change to. Tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and now you can go back, and that way you'll be able to change your full name on Cash App. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.